Last time, I showed you my 5 quick checks before buying any stock. Today, we're putting it into action with 1 US stock and 1 Nigerian stock. First up, Coca-Cola. Step 1, the business model. I type Coca-Cola Investor Relations into Google, click their site, and right here, the About Us page says it all. They sell drinks in over 200 countries. Easy to understand? Good. Step 2, numbers. On Yahoo Finance, I type KO, click Financials, and I can see total revenue and net income. For Coca-Cola, both are climbing over the last 5 years. That's a green light. Step 3, P/E ratio. Still on Yahoo Finance, I click Summary. Coca-Cola's P/E is around 24, close to Pepsi's 27. No high pricing here. Step 4, debt check. Balance sheet. Total debt compared to total assets. Coca-Cola's debt to equity is under 2, manageable for a giant like them. Step 5, trends. On Google Trends, I type Coca-Cola drink. Interest is steady worldwide.
Now, for my Nigerian people, Dangote Sugar. I googled Dangote Sugar Investor Relations. They make and refine sugar for Nigeria and beyond. Good. Step 2, numbers. On the africanfinancial.com, I checked Dangote Sugar's financials, revenues been growing. Step 3, P ratio. I use africanfinancials.com. Their P ratio is -14. That's unhealthy for the industry. It means the company is running at a loss. Step 4, debt. On their balance sheet, debt to equity is 4, indicating significant reliance on debt. Step 5, trends. I search Dangote Sugar in Google Trends for Nigeria. Interest is holding steady.
I just showed you the 5 steps. Next time, we're hunting a secret stock that could double before the crowd wakes up.